They make us humans different from everyone else. They make us different from each other. They add color to us and to our lives. We spend almost the entirety of our lives with them. Wherever we are, whoever we are, they give us joy when we are young and warmth when we are older. They are a necessity, a luxury and an investment. At the same time, one that provides comfort for us and care for our families. They are everywhere we look, we touch, we feel, and we call them fabrics. This need for luxurious and quality fabrics was conquered by the singular vision of Mr. Shital Fibres by providing unparalleled quality at the largest scale possible. A visionary from Punjab, India, who started up in 1991 what is now one of the greatest textile names from India. The world knows this ambitious enterprise as Shital Fibres Ltd, Asia's largest fabrics manufacturers. And we call it the Shital House of Fabrics. Shital's House of Fabrics is the crown jewel of the $300 million Shital Group, which also makes the world-renowned blankets. Shital Fibres manufactures numerous kinds of fabrics, from cotton to polyester to wool, lycra and acrylic, in ever-evolving designs and materials. Humbly set up as a small unit in Jalandhar more than 3 decades ago, the facility now covers over 40 acres of land with multiple independently functioning units for spinning, knitting, dyeing and packaging. The safe and secure facility employs more than 5,000 employees. Blue collar or white, most of them have happily stayed with Shital for decades. And the vibrant young force aims for nothing less. At the service of the trained workforce in every unit is the state-of-the-art machinery and systems developed in collaboration with Germany's Karl Mayr. To provide fabrics as an affordable luxury at such a large scale, Shital Fibres has opted for complete vertical integration with all processes done in-house. This superior control and attention to detail is why Shital is renowned as the House of Fabrics. Based on observations of the market and inputs from the consumers, fabrics, including eco-friendly fabrics, are formulated by the R&D team. And then the state-of-the-art manufacturing starts at Shital's yarn and fiber plants. Once the yarn is procured from the best in the business, the manufacturing process starts with texturizing in the yarn plant. And the fiber procured from leading companies in Japan and Indonesia starts to be processed and dyed at the fiber plant. The state-of-the-art machines allow high productivity and give a superior quality output with higher uniformity. The yarns of different materials obtained undergo the process of warping in multiple high-speed machines. The compact form of yarn is sent for knitting. Shital Fibres has a staggering setup with 150 plus knitting machines procured from the best names in the business. Operated by highly trained personnel, these machines combine different yarn types in the right ratio to generate great quality fabric.
안녕하십니까. 저 김상락입니다. 여기 회사가 시달 회사입니다. 인도에. 한국 기계에 다 들어와 있습니다. 제품이 많이 좋습니다. 많이 사용해 주십시오.
The polishing and heat setting of the fabrics gives them that signature sheen. And here, the fabric preparation is complete. Shital House of Fabrics offers an eclectic range of designs, finishes and materials. And depending on the requirements and specifications of clients, the fabric is then sent for dyeing or printing. Both these processes are done on fully automated, color-accurate machines that offer high productivity and are versatile enough to handle any quality or weight of fabric. And finally, with the finishing at cutting-edge machines, we get a super soft fabric. At Shital House of Fabrics, compromising on quality is not an option. And only after a rigorous quality check is done on the fabrics, they're ready to ship. Tons of fabrics every day are shipped to clients in 192 countries across the globe, including India, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Italy, and Turkey. Be it manufacturers of stuffed toys, paint rollers, makers of shoes, crafters of jackets, coats, t-shirts, and many other garments, all supplying to the biggest lifestyle and fashion brands in the world. Countless such manufacturers get their fabrics from Shital's House of Fabrics. As one would expect from the largest of fabric manufacturers, Shital offers an eclectic range of fabrics suitable for every manufacturer's every need, adapting to different tastes and constantly innovating for a cleaner and yet more stylish future. Mr. Shital Vij, although still the guiding chairman, has moved on to his second mission to reform the society with his revolutionary news company, Dainik Savera. The future is being led by the next generation. Mr. Abhishek Vij is taking Shital Fibres into exciting new directions. He has achieved the highly difficult goal of making such a big name even bigger. Under his leadership, Shital Fibres is exploring new avenues and adapting to the young and evolving world.
It was very difficult for me to fill in my father's shoes when I took over. The name Shital has started appealing to the young customers with new designs with a young image.
Along with giving the world the best fabrics, Shital Fibres is involved in countless charities across the globe. Shital is a house of fabrics unlike any other and is already Asia's largest fabrics manufacturer. In the coming years, it aims to be the world's largest. Join us on this exciting journey into the ever-evolving world of fabrics with Shital.